Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented the budget for FY26 today, and there was a good news for the taxpayers in the Part B, which has duties and taxes. Let me tell you how it benefits to all of you. First, let's talk about the taxes. Well, the budget has revised the tax slab rates. Now, if you have a normal income of up to 12 lakh rupees, other than the capital gains income, you will not be required to pay any tax. It is also important to note that for those who are earning up to 12 lakh rupees in a year, in FY26, you will not have to pay tax rebate under 87A. And adding the 75,000 as standard deduction on the new tax regime for 12.75 lakhs, tax rate will be nil. The finance minister said that the ministry will forego 1 lakh crore rupees in direct tax under the new reforms. Now, the new slabs are as follows: income up to 4 lakh rupees nil, from 4 to 8 lakhs 5%, from 8 to 12 lakhs 10%, from 12 to 16 lakhs 15%, from 16 to 20 lakhs 20%, and from 20 lakhs to 24 lakhs 25%, and lastly above 24 lakhs 30%. Earlier, these slabs were at up to 3 lakh rupees nil, 3 to 7 lakhs at 5%, 7 to 10 lakhs at 10%, 10 to 12 lakhs at 15%, 12 to 15 lakhs at 20%, and above 15 lakhs at 30%. So now, under the new tax regime, you are paying 80,000 rupees for an income of up to 12 lakh rupees. But then, in the revised new tax regime, which was presented today, the tax will be nil for you. If your income is at 13 lakh rupees, you will be paying only 75,000 rupees as tax in the revised new tax regime, which was at 1 lakh rupees previously in the current new tax regime. So you would save 25,000 rupees in tax here. Just like that, if your income is 24 lakh rupees, you will be paying 3 lakh rupees as tax in the revised new tax regime, which was at 4 lakh 10,000 rupees in the current new tax regime. You will save 1 lakh 10,000 rupees in tax here. Under the old tax regime, you also get deduction up to 1.5 lakh rupees under the Section 80C, health insurance premiums under Section 80D, under Section 24B, interest on home loan up to 2 lakh rupees, and other exemptions like HRA and LTA. These exemptions are not available for the new tax regime. For capital gains, no changes were announced. So the ltcg remains at 12.5% and stcg remains at 15%. Coming to TDS, well, there were several announcements in that front too. Annual TDS limit was increased from 2.4 lakh rupees to 6 lakh rupees. The budget has announced decriminalization of delayed payment of TDS and TCS. For senior citizens, TDS on interest is doubled from 50,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees. Under TCS, LRS is increased from 7 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees. TCS on remittance of education loan was also removed. TCS on sale of goods was omitted, and the time limit to file updated tax return was increased to 4 years. On the introduction of the new income tax bill, Sitharaman said that it will be done next week, and the bill will simplify the language to make it very simple for the taxpayers to understand. Now, that's all on the taxation front. For more updates on the budget, stay tuned to ET Now, and I'll come out with a detailed video on the old tax regime versus the revised new tax regime soon. So stay tuned to our channel for more such news and views.